Stop button. Pause button. Stop recording. 00 hours, 00 minutes, and 2 seconds. Record. Stop button. Pause button. Screen locked.
Hello guys, and welcome ulit dito sa ating channel, no? So welcome to my new uploads o new videos. So muli po tayo nang babalik para sa isa na namang game. So hindi itong bagong game, pero ito yung part titingnan ko na lang mamaya, no? Siguro 7 or 8 na tayo sa ating game ngayon na Choice of the Trail. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubaybay sa ating Choice of the Trail na laro, so may playlist akong ginawa dyan. So pwede nyong hanapin mismo sa ating channel yung game na Choice of the Trail. So kada games guys, gumawa ko ng playlist para madali nyong makita, no? So kung hindi nyo mahanap yung playlist, so swipe lang kayo, no, para mahanap niyo yung playlist. So ano na pala tayo, no? Siguro part 7 na, no? Titingnan ko na lang mamaya para hindi tayo magkamali. So tiningnan ko na lang sa may playlist natin ang mismong laro. So ngayon, para mabilis tayong matapos guys, so simulan na natin yung game na Choice of the Trail part 7 or part 8. So depende sa dalawa guys, no? So titingnan ko na lang mamaya para malaman natin kung saan yung tama dito, no? So simulan na natin yung game para mabilis tayong matapos.
Stop button. Record. Stop. Pause button.
Okay.
Home button. Home screen. Screen 1 of 3. Community contacts. Draw Echo this street. Draw commute clock. CC quick step. Chrome. Choices of the trail. Chat. Choices of the trail.
Okay.
Choices of the trail. Daily reward. You get 1 luck. Daily reward. You get 1 luck. Each OK button. You get 1 luck. Each new day you open the game you randomly get either 1 coin or 1 luck. K button. You get OK button.
So okay natin yan, siyempre, no?
Equal. Library.
Okay, so ito na yung last choice natin, no, sa ating part 6 or part 5, basta.
Back. More options button.
So muli natin tong babasahin para mas maganda, siyempre.
Morale. 0 Moxie. More morale. Lies. I'm sorry. I offer in a whisper. I shouldn't have said anything. I was just angry that you never told me about this Jack. She doesn't look away from the page. Quotation mark. I don't have to tell you everything, Beth. She whispers sharply. I purse my lips and try again. I'm sorry PA was so hard on you. I didn't think M dash. Of course you did, she says, still as sharply. You know he's always been harder on me than on you. I shake my head. He's hard on me, too. She sighs and puts the book down. He isn't. Not in the same way. He wasn't as mad as Mollis with you pushing Nathaniel, was he? She picks her book up again. Quotation mark. He wouldn't have been so mad if it was you who had been caught kissing someone, either. Quotation mark. Well, you heard them, I say bitterly. They'd expect that sort of unladylike behavior from me. It's Pa's fault you're such a heathen, she says. He treats you less like a daughter and more like. Her voice trails off awkwardly. I don't.
Teka lang, ulitin ko lang.
Morale. 0 more morale. 0 Moxie. 1.
May paparating kasing music, no? Para hindi tayo makapiright ni YouTube. So palakasin natin yung ang tawag dito, yung TTS.
Choices of the trail. Accessibility volume 93.
Okay.
Continue morale. 0 Moxie. Lies. Continue morale. 0 continue button. Lies, I'm sorry, I offer in a whisper. I shouldn't have said anything. I was just angry that you never told me about this Jack. She doesn't look away from the page. Quotation mark. I don't have to tell you everything, Beth, she whispers sharply. I purse my lips and try again. I'm sorry PA was so hard on you. I didn't think M dash. Of course you did, she says, still as sharply. You know he's always been harder on me than on you. I shake my head. He's hard on me, too. She sighs and puts the book down. He isn't. Not in the same way. He wasn't as mad as Mollis with you pushing Nathaniel, was he? She picks her book up again. Quotation mark. He wouldn't have been so mad if it was you who had been caught kissing someone, either. Quotation mark. Well, you heard them, I say bitterly. They'd expect that sort of unladylike behavior from me. It's Pa's fault you're such a heathen, she says. He treats you less like a daughter and more like. Her voice trails off awkwardly. I don't ask her to finish her thought, because I've already done it in my head. Eliza was first, and I came 3.5 years later. In between us, was a boy, who didn't live past 3 months. William. No one dares breathe his name. The silence sinks between us and I wonder if it had been better to leave Eliza alone. My apology didn't work as well as I thought it might, and now there seems to be a larger distance between us.
So, continue lang natin para
Continue button.
mabasa niya yung next.
Al. 0 continue button.
Okay?
Al. Eliza goes back. Try to reason with. Eliza goes back to reading, and I look around our little loft bedroom. We've been sharing this space ever since I can remember. It's never felt crowded, but cozy. Eliza's belongings are always neat and tidy in their respective places, while my trunk can never seem to shut without something peeking out from it. Even now, my long underwear is sticking out from when I hastily grabbed my dress to bring it to Ma. I stare at it, lost in thought, and don't realize Eliza has looked up from her book. Sometimes it seems like winter won't ever come, she murmurs. I glance to her. She's followed my gaze to my warm clothing, which I was just longing for a reason to wear. Stifled by these sweltering nights, Beth, Jack has been asking me to marry him, and I think I might, in the winter, she says, softly. I swallow hard, searching for a response. My immediate one is to beg her to stay longer, but I always knew she would have to leave eventually. She's wanted to be married since she ended her studies. It seems awfully soon, though, and he's so much older and there has to be a way to reason with her. If not, I wonder if I can summon even an ounce of happiness for her, and give her the congratulations I know she's looking for. Of course, if I try, and fail, she'll see right through me, and it might make things worse between us. What should I do?
So, may choice na guess, no? So, pubasahin natin yung choice.
Try to reason with her. Eliza, try to reason with her. Eliza goes back to reading. Try to reason with her. Button. ACT happy for her. Button. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Button. Morale. 0 Moxie. 1.
So, kailangan natin tong i-pause para hindi marinig ng YouTube yung music. No? Pause ko lang to, guys.
Preview button. Recent and quick screen clear all clean. 2 recorder. Record 00 hours, 8 minutes, and 0 seconds. To zip tag pause button. Pause.
So, i-continue lang natin, no?
Tag button. 0 tag but pause button. Stop recording.
Okay.
Overview button. Recent quick step screen clear all clean up 2 recorder. Choices of the trail. Choices of the trail. More options button.
So, pili tayo dito ng isang choice.
Go back library prequel. Eliza goes back to morale. 0 Moxie. Eliza goes back to try to reason with her. Button. ACT happy for her. Button. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Button.
Okay.
ACT happy try to reason with her. Button.
So, ito na lang siguro.
Prequel. Library. Go back. More options button. Morale. Minus Moxie increases 1. Morale. Minus 2 Moxie. 2. Moxie increases 1. I bite my bottom lip. Lies, I begin, then remember how he called her that and immediately feel sour. Do you really think it's wise to rush into marriage like that? He's the first man who's had an interest in you, but he won't be the last. She shoots me a look like she doesn't know whether to be flattered or annoyed. You seem to forget that I'm interested in him, too, Beth, and you don't know much about love if you think it comes around like that. She's right. I don't know much about love, but I don't think that should mean anything here. He's so much older than you, though, I press. Surely there's someone your own age that you could love him dash. Quotation mark. He's not close to death, Beth, she says sharply. Quotation mark. He's only 28. Why hasn't he been married before, then? Because he didn't want to be, she snaps. This has definitely taken a bad turn. I decide it's best to back off before things get any worse between us. Okay, I say simply. Maybe I should have tried to fake happiness, or even just kept quiet. What did I know about Eliza's love for this man? Anyway, I wonder if it will drive a wedge between us. She turns back to her book and I lie away from her and go to sleep.
Okay. Siguro continue to.
Continue button.
Okay, continue natin.
Equal. Library, go back. More option morale, minus the creaking of the ladder wakes me, but it isn't morning yet. Beth, I hear Paz whisper through the pitch darkness. Do you want to see something amazing? He holds a candle up so I can see where to plant my feet, and I follow him drowsily down the ladder, his hand guiding me down the last rungs. I don't bother putting on my boots, my bare feet padding lightly against the dewy grass. The sky is a soft shade of blue, the edges of the sun's rays barely peeking over the horizon. It must be 4 in the morning. Normally, I wouldn't be up for another hour or so, to collect the eggs and milk the cow. I follow him and his candle to the barn, where I can hear the soft waffling and nickering coming from the stall to the right. The draft mare, Bridget, is foaling. I lean over the stall door and watch her, as PA steps in and kneels behind her, with his hand gently resting on her heaving side. He offers his presence, but little else as the mare pushes through labor and I see a wet, glistening sack of knobby joints and fur fall from her onto the stall floor covered in wood shavings. I'm mesmerized by the way she immediately hops to her feet as though she didn't just suffer through birth, licking the membrane off of the foal. PA steps away from Bridget and rejoins me outside of the stall. He's a real pretty coloring, he muses, as the foal squeaks and unties his knotted limbs. The little colt is a mixture of dark and light grays, dappled around his butt and shoulders. I was used to the browns and tans of the horses we had, and he sure was something to look at. Quotation mark. He looks like smoke against a winter sky, doesn't he? I say, do you want to name him? PA asks me, nudging my shoulder with his elbow. I knew what I'd name him before he even asked me. Smoke. I say matter-of-factly, Smoke it is then. PA agrees. He kisses the top of my head. I'm going to get started with the fields, he says. You can watch a bit longer, but I suggest you don't dawdle on your morning chores, especially after yesterday. He walks a few steps, then turns to me. Quotation mark. You know Beth, if Miss Birch and Mr. Drake are sweet on each other, she won't be your teacher much longer. He winks and goes on his way. I stick around for a few more minutes, watching Smoke learn where his feet and legs go, while thinking about what PA said. Then it's to the morale, -2 Moxie, 2.
So guys, hanggang dito na lang po muna
Review
guys.
button, raise the
Dahil,
squeaky Rocolina, 2 choices of the recorder. Record 020 tag button. 2025000 hours, 12 minutes, and 2 record stop pause button.
So abangan nyo lang yung next update natin sa games na to.
Stop button.
So yun lang guys, and magandang araw sa inyong lahat.